Hi everyone, my name is Misty Miller and I run the TPT store Misty Miller and the Facebook group TPT Seller Tips and Advice. Today we're going to talk about balance. We have in our mind that everything in our life should be equally balanced, just like these glasses. In reality, our glasses look more like this. When it comes to balance, not everything is equal. It will depend on the season that you are in. It's time to change our idea on balance. You may need more time for teaching during parts of the year, like back to school time or report card time. Other times, you may need more time for family or working on your TPT store. That's how we have balance, deciding on what needs more of your time, when, and being okay with that decision. Reframe your idea of balance and keep working on growing your TPT business one step at a time.